I would make it's kind of using what's already there, but making it a bit more Weasley-esque. I would have.
No, it's got to be brand new.
No, it is brand new.
Okay.
Bear with me. It's like a port key, but it's not a port key. Because when we travel, we need to go through security and all the boring stuff when you fly and all that kind of stuff, right? This, however, is a stick of gum. So you'll have fresh breath. Chew the gum, think where you're going to go, bam, you arrive where you need to be with fresh breath. A winner.
I know.
I was going to say, mine would be some earphones, and when you put those on, you don't hear anything you don't want to hear. Instead,
noise cancellation.
Yeah, but
They exist.
No.
Alfie's wearing them today.
Yeah, I know. But you don't need any electricity or anything like that. It's just good vibes. So when you put it on, whatever you're thinking of, like good vibes, that gets projected out. That way you're not listening to someone else moaning.
Just made the baby cry.
Right, but think about it right now.
No, true, yeah.
Yeah.